like that. Oh, baby, that's your problem.
What?
That was an easy diagnosis.
I saw this.
Did you see this?
No.
Yeah, this caught on fire. Guys, hope all's well. We're pulling up to do a oil maintenance. Oil boiler. I believe it's a boiler. It could be a furnace, but it's an oil maintenance nevertheless. Let's see what it is. Furnace. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot. My brother-in-law tells me to wear gloves. Says my hands. I don't know why. Kind of like my hands dirty. Okay, we're gonna go change this nozzle. So nice out. Just watch the oil drop out the back once the air opens. Strainer, replace that. We gotta open this. Look at you. Take a little more. Yeah, you could actually dip it in there. Take this one out. And use a little more. Yeah, or just put your finger right here and then just rub it around the top. There you go, buddy boy. You're doing it. You know, man. Better than me, that's for sure, because I don't like this oil stuff. You only spin the bolt, never the canister. And then that's good right there, and then we'll just use the wrench for the rest. Steve Lav taught me this little trick. Get a little air out. so you see the oil rise. Just like that. You tighten it up. Okay, so let's check combustion. We're gonna let it run a little while though, then we'll check. Leaks. We'll check our combustion. Here's this old nozzle. Right here for him. Oxygen between 5 and 7%. CO under 50, 9%. So 5 to 7, 5 to 9, it's still at 6. Yeah, under 50. Under 50, yeah, it's 38 was the highest. Alright guys, that was just an oil maintenance. We have to go change a failed mini split fan motor for the outdoor unit. I don't know if it's Fujitsu, Carrier, Mitsubishi, who knows, Daikin. We'll see what it is when we get there. Probably not much to show, but we'll see. Look. That's an easy mistake to make. Watch. So your disconnect for this one comes here. Disconnect over there comes there. That's safe. Changing parts again. The parts changer. Thanks, Bubbles. That's the whole change on these pieces of whatever you want to call them. We got to run the wire up, and then here's our wire, and then we have a clamp.
Can we just take the shit out of here, though?
Yeah, we could. Up. Now we're just gonna throw the blade. Can I have that blade in that exact orientation the way it is?
It's not leveled though.
What's that?
It's not leveled. It's not even on it.
I'm gonna say that it might be warranty. Yeah, we're gonna have to plug it in for power, and then we'll have to go inside and test it. Okay.
Was this 2 months ago? Maybe a month ago. Maybe I'm exaggerating.
We're gonna keep it on heat, and we're gonna blast it up pretty high. Okay.
Okay.
I just want to make sure it's working properly inside and out. So the complaint was that she was getting in, what'd you say, F1?
F1.
An F1 error code at one time, and it was blowing cool air. So right now, we're blowing, and we're gonna go check for temperature inside. This is a Carrier, it's a nice unit. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Only smoke blunts if the vote. I like my regular thermometer, but you can't put them in here because you'll blast the fan, as you techs know. But I'll deal with this for at least a gauge. What's that? Guys, just a quick parts changer job. We're gonna see if there's anything else. It's early in the day, so there has to be. We'll see what it is though. That was a Carrier mini split. We threw it up to heating. It's ramped up. It was heating properly. I let it run about 15-20 minutes. Customer's happy. And we're gonna pull out of here. It says no heat. What kind of store is that? What is that, a grocery store?
Painting store.
Oh, painting store. It says no heat at a store, a commercial store. I don't know if it's a residential system or an RTU, but there's no heat there. We'll see what it's changing. That's crazy.
15 hundos.
That's stupid. Put fan to on, keep it on heat. Make sure it's on hold.
Oh, they got a cat.
What? Cool. Put a new board in. Now it's not working. Alright, so let me see my blinks. 1, 2, 3. Pressure switch probably. 1, 2, 3. If I had to guess. Let's see, it's usually a pressure switch on most things, but let's see. 3, pressure switch, that's what I thought. This hose is real loose right here. But I'm gonna clean out this port. Ports get plugged up right here. Lack of maintenance. This thing is in pretty bad shape. Okay. So I just trimmed off the pieces at the end because they were a little weak. Some new pressure switch hose there because that's too short of a run. I have it down in my truck. It was off on pressure. I want to check this heat exchanger though. This thing is disgraziato. Shout out to everything HVAC R. Check him out. He's always good at rooftops. Learned a lot from him. But the filters are bad on this thing too. I don't even know that I can check the heat exchanger here, because we're ducted like that. I guess I could slide this fucker out. Heat exchanger actually looks good, believe it or not. And we're gonna check further, but just from a preliminary. Yeah, so we're gonna pull the motor out, we'll check it, but I have better feelings about it just looking at it. Like, these two for them. And cut them, put some new ends on it. But for now, let me, I'm gonna get them heating right now, and then I'm gonna run down to the truck and grab some things, make some minor adjustments to it. I gotta get a belt too.
Those binders, NNS.
What's that? NSS? I might have one on the truck. If I don't, then we'll run to the NNS. No, for a belt I need.
Yeah, well, it's A54.
Yeah, A54. And what were the filters? Alright. Little vinyl tubing I have. Should work fine. We'll bring, for that limit switch, I want to put some new stake-ons. Got some here. A couple of these.
53 work? All right.
Nah, what were those, A54s?
Yeah.
Alright, we're back to the truck, still running. I want to also pull these burners and clean them to make sure we don't get any kind of rollout or anything. Together. That's just regular operation. Just make sure it starts, runs. Make sure there's no rollout. Get the combustion analyzer out. Some leak in there. Moisture. I don't like this heat exchanger. Get the combustion analyzer. Put it straight in. Yep. Straighten it out a little. Yeah, like that. Straight in. Yep. like that. It's getting up there. Don't like it. 77, 80, 82, 192. Don't like it. 101, 102, 104. Told you I didn't like that heat exchanger. 108, 113. Wow. 45. Wow. 63. Battery. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Like my ex-girlfriend used to say, yeah, or my son's mother, yeah, no. 214. It's like an international phone number, bro. Yeah, no, 260. It's climbing fast now, bro. 270. 300. 310. Dude. You watching this? 321, cuz. We're gonna keep this off. Went up to 370. Turn off our gas truck. And we're gonna disconnect W1. Okay, pull W. One out. Use it for air conditioning. Gotta replace the heat exchanger and or the unit. It's up to the home, it's up to the store owner. It's not safe to run. We're shutting it down. Gas is off. W1's out. Power's off. Well, before, when I let that unit run for about a half hour, and then it went out on rollout. When I first got there, you saw it was out on the pressure switch. Went out on rollout, dug further and checked into that heat exchanger even more, and those combustion levels, the CO levels were way too high. So we shut it down. My manager is going to call the property owner, and I don't know where they go from there, but right now I had to turn it down. It went up to, I think, 370 for the CO. But let's see if there's another job. I'm going to another call. It says the heat won't turn on. I think it's a boiler. We'll see what it is. How you doing, sir?
Hi.
How's everything?
How are you? I've seen you before.
No, I don't think so.
You sure?
Maybe not. Maybe. I doubt it, though.
Come on in.
What's going on with your system?
It's not working.
I know,
I'm
but
freezing.
but what's happening? Is it blowing cold air? It's just nothing's happening. Okay,
Come on.
fair enough.
Checking something.
Can we come in?
Come on in.
I just want to check too. Okay, so, okay. 75. All right, let's go downstairs.
Here.
Downstairs to the boiler. Okay, and then the boiler's in there? Perfect, thank you. Don't like that. Oh, baby, that's your problem.
What?
That was an easy diagnosis.
I saw this.
Did you see this?
No.
Yeah, this caught on fire. Guys, we're gonna run and grab a Aquastat relay. Why did it burn? I have no idea. Got to start there though. We'll throw that in and see if we get some heat. Looks like at the bottom of the Aquastat relay, where the BX wire comes in, may have rubbed out over time and then caused the short and then burned it up. That's just a visual inspection, but we'll be back there in a minute. Circulator, line voltage, and then your thermostat right here, your B1, your B2. Okay, now we'll take this off from back here. It's good now, so priority's on, and then
So we're not gonna. I almost blew us up a couple of weeks.
we're heating. What's that, dear?
I almost blew us up a couple of weeks ago.
Why?
Well, it was like I didn't turn the car off.
Okay, she's running. So what's going to happen is that's your priority, hot water. So before the house starts to heat, that's going to heat up.
This one. Yes,
Yep.
Gary.
I'm going to a, our last call, I forgot to say we finished that. That was the Aquastat relay that was burned. I don't know what was wrong with it. But it's 5:15. We're going to another call. I don't know why they're sending me on overtime, but I guess a humidifier isn't working. I mean, I didn't know that was an emergency, but apparently it is. Let's see what's going on. It's 25 minutes away. Can't make this up. But I'll take it. Plus I'm on call all weekend though. I'm on call tonight, tomorrow, and Sunday. But then I'm good until like January. Like the end of January. But alright, so we'll see what happens when we get over there. Could just be someone left it on test or something. Something about lights are flashing, who knows. Hilarious, bro. Hilarious. By the way, this is Greenwich, Connecticut, so I guess a humidifier of blinking lights is for the entitlement, for the entitled, is like a no heat emergency call. I have no idea, but can't make it up. Can't make this shit up. Yep. Come over tonight. Okay. So.
I gotta go back and like do some research on this piece of equipment. Was not facile in the details of it. So he left the
What do you mean you did research on
He
it?
left to go do some homework. He said.
You swear?
Huh?
You
I
being
swear to God, yeah. He left to get back. He said, I tell you the truth, I've never seen this kind of machine before. I gotta go back and do some.
I with this all the time.
It's never good. Because you're staring at you, water trip all over here.
Where's it dripping?
Just there.
You had that problem a couple years ago
Yeah.
there. I remember
Yeah,
seeing.
Yeah. And this premise is gonna all.
And didn't you
corroded.
call your roof? You called your builder or something.
Yeah,
It came
yeah.
down the soffit up there.
Yeah, yeah.
So the water was turned to off. That's why the fill was stuck to on. We're gonna turn it about halfway, and then we're gonna hit power, and we're gonna let it fill.
He's dead now. As far as the richest guy in Taiwan. JM is John.
All right, guys, we're leaving this house. The humidifier. Somebody was just out here for a maintenance. They left the water off on the humidifier. So I set the water, turned it on, set the humidistat to 35%. I don't know how he missed that one, but so I kind of understand why the customer was a little upset and called us out on a Friday night at 5:30. Yeah, this is a beautiful part of Connecticut. We're right on the. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Appreciate everything. Please like and subscribe. Today was just a run around day. 7:30 at night. Again, please like and subscribe. Happy holidays. Thanks again. Good night.